Alright, from Harbor Freight. Adjustable link belt. Now this is a 1/2 inch. So that's good because that's a 1/2 inch pulley there. So why you would use a link belt? Well, for example, it is good for sound dampening. The other thing too is like this machine here, which years ago when they made it, they thought of everything except how to get the pulley out without taking the back off, the shaft out, the bearings out, the gears out, all the stuff that makes one simple job turn into an absolute nightmare. So that's why the V-belts that are linked belts are the better choice for this application. Now, give a little backdrop. These belts were invented in 1874. Granted, it wasn't exactly the material that they were using here in the day. Now, you might be wondering, well, if it's 5 foot, ain't that way too big? Yes, it is. Except, you see, you have the added benefit of taking the belt, running it for a while, and all of a sudden it breaks. Well, you can just add links to it. So how these things come apart? Now what I recommend is a pair of pliers, a pair of needle nose, whatever. Then you twist clockwise, like so, pull out. Clockwise, like so, like that, and then it pulls right out. See? Now, if you look, this one right here is going straight down. So that means this belt link right here is connected to this belt. So twist, pull out, and now you are ready to assemble. Now, to give you a couple more tips I've learned from work over the years, this way is the way it goes facing you. So you have the arrows goes facing the driving motor. Okay? You could put it in reverse, but the thing is, it's going to sound a heck of a lot different. Now notice that it has a little bit of a taper. There's a slight taper on it. The reason why is that's the part that sits on your pulley. Okay? Do not put it in this way. You put it in this way, not only is it going to be skipping and everything, but it's going to sound a heck of a lot different, and you will notice it. So, before I take this belt off, I'm going to turn it on and let you guys hear it. Okay? Now, wow, look at that. Yeah, that belt was ready to go. Yep. Alright, let me cut this off and put the other one on. Wrap her around. That's the only thing is when these are new, they're pretty stiff. So, you got to be a little bit patient with them. Just a little bit. Now, you figure out your spot where you want it. You can mark it with a ballpoint pen if you want, or eye it up. So see, right there, that's perfect. Actually, I could go a little bit tighter. Now, how you figure to tighten this out, I'll show you later. I might take that link off here. Then you just twist it around. Like so. And sometimes they catch. Like so. Hear that? Now, you take the top one here, twist it, pull it, boom. Then you pull it through the bottom one. Then you grab your pliers. And like that. So, you take this one, you put it like that. And there you go. Now, you just twist her back on. Here, like so. The proper tension is when you push down and you can go an inch down. You got the proper tension. See, that's way too far. Only because I don't have any tension on it. So now I have tension on it. Here we go. Now, let's fire up. Noticeable fire up. So that is it. That is all for today's episode. I hope you guys go out and get one of these at Harbor Freight. It'll save you a bundle. Now, keep in mind it is a little pricey, but I tell you what, they last a long time. And oh, a quick tip: try to avoid getting these free from any oil, because when they get oily, even though they do actually last longer because they're oily, but they also have a tendency to slip a little bit easier. And then there's other tricks you can do, and if someone wants to know that, I'll talk about it in another video. But anyways, that's all I got for this episode. Link belts, they save you time and save your ears from being damaged, and also saves the machine from being tore apart by all the vibration that's going on, so it won't resonate through the machine and make, you know, a bolt here loose or whatever. So that's all I got for this episode. If you guys like this channel, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.